you how to create an assignment and for students that are turning in, it's essentially a paper assignment, and how they will turn it, or how you download it once they turn it in. So what you do is go down here to create learning activity, and you want to create an assignment. And I'm going to call it something. There we go. Set your due date. Set your availability. Go under where it says submission types. And you want a file submission. How many files do you want? You want one. If you do more than that, then you'll be downloading a ton of stuff. You want them to upload their document as one PDF. This is fine, 100 megabytes, no big deal. Accepted file types. I like my students to upload as a PDF. A lot of times when I try to download a Word file that they've uploaded, it's under document files here and PDF, it will turn sideways, making it difficult for me to grade on my iPad. So that's one of the reasons why I required a PDF. Okay. So, and then feedback types. You want to be able to add feedback files. So make sure this is checked so that later you can upload your comments to the students back to them. You can go ahead, you can always change that later if you forget. And then it's up to you, what you want to fill out with the rest of this. If you've got your assignment to upload that you want them to write on, then you go under Common Module Settings. And I'm just going to choose something to add there. And then they can print that out and write on it and submit it later. Okay, so I've created my assignment. This is what it'll look like for the students. They can click here to pull it up, the assignment to print it. You can have your instructions on here also. I like to tell them to make sure that they save it under their name and the name of the assignment, so that when I downloaded it to my iPad, I know whose is whose and who's to upload where. If not, I've got to put the name on it, because if you don't have the name, you don't know where to upload it, which student to upload it to later. So for example, if it's, say, I'll show you what I write. Here for Lab 1, upload to the response area located in the Labs tab. And I've given them the instructions. You must save as one PDF file. Again, if it's more than one, it's a pain, and you have to change it yourself. So usually the first couple of times I'll forgive them, and then I start taking off points. For example, Aaron Collier Lab 1, saying under your name and lab, or whatever the assignment is. So you're welcome to copy any of this if you want. Okay, so how do they upload, or how do we check it later? So I can go in here, and you can see, of course, I've already graded these, but select there, and all the ones that you want to download, You can unselect any ones you like, or just select one or two. You go to Download Selected Submissions. Press Go. Say OK. And then there they are. Lately, it started doing this thing where it's doing it twice. It's got an online text and the file. So I go through and delete all these online text things so that they're not in my way. And then open each person up. Select each person's assignment. Copy it. And then I use Dropbox to take it over. Whatever you want to use. And I go in here and I've got it separated out for each class and all, but paste, and here they are. And so then you'll upload them into your iPad using GoodNotes. You can write on them and then upload them back to Dropbox or whatever. I go through, before I upload the new ones back, I go through and take them out because then they're duplicated and it gets confusing. So I go through and take all those out. Well, there we go. Throw them in the trash. Okay, so how do you upload them back? So if I want to grade, put the grade here, of course. Anything you want to say in here, but I've already written it on their assignment, so I don't worry about saying that, in the hopes that they will actually go here and pull it back up. And all you got to do is find whatever, I don't know, trying to find something to use. I don't think I've got any saved right now. Jeez. Okay, so I've saved it back as a PDF, and then I'll take it and drag it, and it drops it in there. So I'm not going to do that for that student. And then you push Save and Next. Click OK, and you do the same thing for the next student. So that's how you do it.